So some of my slime clips actually got deleted. My camera stopped filming for some odd reason when I was doing it. So a couple of them I have in already. So sorry about that, but it'll probably happen a couple of times. So yeah. But anyways, so this is my next slime. It's kind of sticky. I'll be back in a second when this is actually all like out and in. So now I'm putting the yellow in. I got it all, most of it off the sides as much as I could. So it goes. Guys, this is so sad. Okay, so on to my next slime. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. This is so sad. Okay, on to the next slime. Alright, on to my next slime. It's a pink one. It's very sticky. My friend already got it off of the edges. So I'm just gonna dump it in. There we go. This is very sad. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I am. Alright, on to my next slime. Thank you. This one's not sticky at all. So, it's like one of my other ones that I put in, my other green one. It's really fun to play with. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay. So, on to my next slime. So this is my next slime. It's a blue one. I really like it. It's like one of my favorites. I was thinking about not putting my favorites in, but that would be really hard because that'd only be like 3 slimes going into the container. So next, this one is going in. Okay, on to my next slime. This one actually has stuff in it. I have like little foam beads. Not beads, but they're like little foam things. I found them randomly on my floor, and I put them in. I don't know why, but yeah, it's small and it's kind of sticky. But I'm gonna put it right here. There you go. All right, I only have like 4 slimes left out of my 16 slimes. So here's my other slime. This one. Oh, not this one. This one's my favorite. Okay, here's the container. But this one's my favorite. It's sad to see it go. But it's sad to see all of them go, so I'm gonna put you right here on top of the pink one. Alright, so here's another pink one. I'm gonna get it off this. Okay. So I'll be right back when I have it all off the walls and everything and off the lid. Alright, so I just have this little thing right here to get off, and then it's all off. Alright, so time to dump it in now. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay. Okay, sorry guys, I got confused there. She was like, so it was like, what do you want to show me? So this is what it looks like. Try not to dump it on the table. But yeah, I'll show you like this. There we go. This is what it looks like. It's a lot more colorful on the camera than it actually is in real life. So, but anyways, on to my last 2 slimes.